The samurai era was over. Japan was changing. Modern weapons had replaced ancient traditions. Most samurai accepted the new world. One man refused. His name was Saigo Takamori. Today, many people remember him as the last samurai. He was one of the most respected figures in Japan. Ironically, he helped create the new Japan that would eventually destroy the samurai class itself. Few people expected him to become the symbol of its final resistance. During the late 19th century, Japan entered a period known as the Meiji Restoration. The government wanted to modernize rapidly. New factories appeared. Railroads expanded across the country. A modern army was created. Japan was transforming faster than ever before. For the samurai, these changes were devastating. Their privileges were removed. Their political influence declined. The government no longer wanted a warrior class. It wanted modern citizens. For many samurai, this felt like the destruction of their identity. Across Japan, anger began to grow. Many former samurai felt betrayed by the very government they had once helped support. Their salaries were disappearing. Their social status was fading. Their swords, once symbols of honor, were becoming relics of the past. For many of them, the future looked uncertain. Saigo became the natural leader of this growing frustration. He believed the government was abandoning important traditions. More and more former samurai rallied around him. What started as dissatisfaction slowly became open resistance. The country was moving toward conflict. In 1877, the Satsuma Rebellion began. Thousands of samurai joined Saigo. They marched against the imperial government. Many believed they were fighting to protect the honor of the samurai. Others believed they were fighting for the soul of Japan itself. But the world had changed. The government now possessed modern rifles, artillery, professional soldiers. The samurai still had courage, yet courage alone could not stop modernization. Battle after battle pushed the rebels backward. Their numbers fell. Supplies disappeared. Every defeat brought them closer to disaster. Yet Saigo refused to surrender. By September 1877, only a small number of followers remained. Surrounded and outnumbered, Saigo faced the final moments of the rebellion. The samurai cause had effectively been defeated. The end was unavoidable. When Saigo Takamori fell, something larger fell with him. An era that had lasted for centuries came to an end. The samurai were not simply defeated by an army, they were defeated by a changing world. And that is why Saigo Takamori is still remembered today as the last samurai.